Hello everyone, good morning, bore da.
Croeso I Gweithdai Rhithwir Bylbiau'r Gwanwyn I Ysgolion.
Botany and botanical are all relating to the study of plants.
Wel ydy, chi'n gweld yn y llun hyn?
This is a herbal cure for deafness from the 1400s.
Cymerwch yw'r llygoden fawr.
We're going to go around slowly.
And they travelled from Britain all the way down to Australia through New Zealand and landed in Australia.
Yn really dod mewn ar cymeriad y flodau.
For our corona, we're going to paint this in an orange colour. So this is actually what's known as a secondary colour.
Anther, stamen style, yeah.
We're going to start at the top and we're going to slowly drag our paintbrush all the way down. Hello everyone,